Hello, I'm Dr. Simon Ourian. I practice cosmetic dermatology in Beverly Hills, California, and this is my line, MDO. You've seen my other skincare line, and this is the newest product that we have developed to make sure that you have really fantastic skin. So the way it works is that it creates a lot of moisture into your skin and causes your skin to be very hydrated no matter where you are. This advanced atomization technology transforms water into a refreshing hydro mist for instant and intense hydration and replenishment. This is how it works. You just press this very quickly and all the mist keeps coming in. It has amazing benefits such as it causes instant hydration. It has calming and soothing effect. You can actually put a drop of calming essence into it, although we don't recommend it, but I've seen people do that. It revives your tired looking skin. After a couple hours of being outside, your skin starts to get dry and gets a little bit kind of not as fresh as it should be. Having this water added to your skin is fantastic. You can take it with you on the airplane, you can have it in your purse or in your car when you're driving. It really gives you a nice fresh feeling. It's kind of like coming out of a steam shower. It works really well. It boosts skin elasticity and moisture with ultra high speed long wave vibration technology. The Hydro Boost enables the immediate absorption of moisture deep into the skin and optimizes delivery of the mineral water nutrients for long lasting hydration. It's a pocket size nano mist sprayer, and the size of the mist are 1/10 of the size of any other sprays. It's fantastic for the glow and glow on the go. You can just use it anytime you want. I love it. This is one of the best products we could come up with and we could give to you, and I hope you use it. I hope, as usual, you share your experience with us. Let us know how you like it, and if you like it, introduce this to your friends also. Our MDO products are here to give you all the best benefits that we can provide for you, and I can't wait to hear your positive feedback on it. Thank you so much.